Hello friends, my name is Ravinder Singh from Axis Group and we are the direct representatives of Samarkand State Medical University, Uzbekistan. And I will be talking, I've released various videos about Samarkand State Medical University, and there are some questions coming up again and again, and I have already informed that Samarkand State Medical University is one of the oldest and biggest university of Central Asia, and they started in 1930. We have two big hospitals, and the Republican Hospital is the oldest, started in 1927, oldest and the biggest hospital of Central Asia, and they have a very good exposure of clinical working. So the students who are going there, they will have a very good education that we have discussed, complying with NMC norms. But the important questions coming are about the living conditions of Uzbekistan, how is Uzbekistan, how safe is Uzbekistan. So I want to put some data about that. And as far as Uzbekistan is concerned, Uzbekistan has 100% literacy rate. That's important. People are, by the name or by, they have some impression. So they are having some, negative opinion about Uzbekistan. So I must tell you that Uzbekistan as a constitution is a secular state. It does not support any religion as particular, and it is very safe country. 100% literacy rate is there. You can check this from the Google also. And so far as crime rate is concerned, if we go by the data, it is 1.2 per 100,000 of population. It's a bit technical, I must explain you. 1.2 per 100,000, 1 lakh of the population is the crime rate in Uzbekistan, which is one of the safest in the world. If you compare it with India, in India it is 383 per 100,000. It means India, the crime rate is 380% higher compared to Uzbekistan. If we compare to the other countries, for example, the neighboring countries, Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan, where our students are going, their crime rate is much higher. If you just check the rating, world rating from 1 to down, that which country is higher in the rating, Kyrgyzstan comes at 36th place in the world. Kazakhstan comes at 47th place in the world. India comes at 77th place in the world. And Uzbekistan comes at 104. So it is one of the safest country in the world with a very low crime rate. And I must tell you that even Germany, Spain, Romania and Luxembourg, they have higher crime rate compared to Uzbekistan, where Indian students are going to study. So it is one of the safest countries to study. Bullet train is running since 2011. More than 10 years bullet train is running. I'm just giving you this idea that they are going into the development very fast. With this data, I come to Samarkand. The questions are coming like it's a small place. Samarkand is not a small place. The area is 120 square kilometers with the metropolitan population of 10 lakhs. And in Samarkand, this hospital, Republic Hospital, is not only giving services to the citizens and residents of Samarkand area, the people from nearby countries are also coming, and sometimes the Indian patients are also going to Samarkand for the treatment. And they have been having a good track record from the past of a very good and excellent medical treatments as well as medical education. Samarkand State Medical Institute or Samarkand State Medical Institute Hospital, Republic Hospital, they have 56 treatments as their patent. And very interesting question now coming about the nightlife. It has a varied meaning, nightlife. Students are asking, who are taking transfer mostly, that how is the nightlife there? Sir, I must tell you, Uzbekistan is a very decent place, a nice place to study. And if you compare it, the nightlife, then I think you compare it with Delhi. It is similar. Like in Delhi, we have, we can move around in the evenings. We have restaurants, we have clubs like Delhi only, not like any other cities or countries which you might be imagining. So we can compare it with Delhi. And yes, so far as this question is concerned, I'm inviting students to study here in Uzbekistan. Come here, study, enjoy the best possible clinical exposure in the hospitals of Uzbekistan. Nightlife you can enjoy when you are starting your career as a doctor in some other countries. But yes, so far as comparison is concerned, you can compare it with Delhi. And with this background, I invite all of my students to come to Samarkand State Medical University to study. It's a nice place, and I hope you will have a very good quality education in Samarkand State Medical University. Thank you.